Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi from EC branch and my topic is food securing machine. Food securing machine are innovative technologies that aim to address the issue of food insecurity by providing access to fresh and healthy food. These machines come in different forms, including vending machines and automated hydroponic system, and are designed to provide fresh produce to communities that lack access to grocery stores or farmers markets. The machines use advanced technology to grow and distribute fresh produce, often using hydroponics or aeroponic systems that are require less water and space than traditional farming methods. They can also be placed in areas where traditional grocery stores are not available, such as urban food deserts or rural communities. In conclusion, the idea of a food securing machine is a promising innovation that can help address the issue of food insecurity. However, it is important to recognize that this technology alone cannot solve the problem. It is crucial to also address the systematic issues that contribute to food insecurity, such as income inequality and lack of access to affordable housing. By working towards both technological solutions and systematic change, we can create a world where everyone has access to healthy and nutritious food. Thank you.